Can you hear me brush? Say hello to my people.
Hey y'all, I look a mess.
Oops. Like you got your own bathroom. Like
I don't need your bathroom.
I don't know why. I don't know why. Don't none in here speak your name.
I'll be back.
Hey y'all. We are getting ready because today is a special day. It's a ceremony that's going on for my husband, and his mom is now passing the torch of her church to my husband. We're getting dressed, and I don't know why little person up in here with me, and she have her own stuff. You know, welcome to the vlog, and I do want to show you guys like what I'm about to put on. It's something simple.
Hey y'all, so I still gotta get ready. I look a mess, so yeah.
No, you didn't.
Okay, let me just go do this one.
I got me this cute little simple black dress. It's from Marshall. Do y'all see it? I love the details on this dress. It's so pretty. Almost 12. And I have to get the boys ready and everything. So I just at least want to get my self-care together before I get the boys ready. So after I do this, I'm going to get the boys ready. And then I'm going to put on my clothes. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get ready. Get you guys, so I'll let you guys just sit back, chill for a second, listen to some music, and we're gonna vibe. I covered up some of my hairs.
That's good. Because some of them don't need to be there.
But it's my natural
No, you're not supposed to outline your natural eyebrow. You're supposed to outline an arch. Okay? Yeah. So it looks better like that. I'll be having to cover up some of mine too because they should be waxed. Get it?
I don't like all that. I like my eyebrows to be thick, full,
So you
hairy.
don't like waxed eyebrows?
No.
Okay.
I mean, I get it, but no. Your daddy said he loves my eyebrows.
Girl, you're the queen. I don't care. Care for the first lady.
When you get your house.
No. When I get house. Now.
When you get your own house. You could be the queen of your house.
The queen of me. I know what I myself this week. I'm just sorry. I always thought that I'd be the queen. There's no one.
You just stop. Stop. Just stop. So Turkey and I have our clothes on, and I was just wondering, like, should I wear these? Should I put these, leave these on, or these? These are my Chloe's. These, yes, cause this these girls.
They need to see the gold.
The gold.
I got my gold curts on my body, feeling like a
Oh yeah, the gold ones. Why would I do that? I'm just saying, why would I do that?
She don't get it, y'all.
I'm sure they probably don't get it either. I mean, like, if they like me, they don't get it neither.
They do get it. They be on TikTok.
Girl.
You gotta. Don't not be with Jay Money serving everybody.
But this is my chain. You know the lady who, Amber, what's her name? Amber Shaw? Amber something. But she got this chain from her collection. And on one side it says, but what if it doesn't? And then the other side said, but what if it does? So I'm gonna turn it on the side that say, but what if it does? Cause
It's happening.
It's happening. Come on, you gotta do this. You gotta do this, boo.
Excuse me.
Come on, cause I got nails on and I can't do it.
Is this on the right side?
I don't know. You can see better than I can. Then I gotta smell a little expensive. No, I need some Chanel or some Chloe
Chanel.
or some Versace.
Chanel on my body.
You fat, girl. What?
We fine.
Girl, what? What? Say something. Say. Y'all see my earrings though? Yeah. Like, they just a statement. They just like, girl. So I will see you guys, and then after that, then I'll see y'all when we get back home or the next day or something. Okay, so this is my dress. I love the details. I love the details on this. This is my chain, my earrings, my watch, and this is my dress. So cute. So yeah.
The whole time was sucking. Oh, now it popped up there. How you doing today? All right.
Hey.
So I had.
Record because I have been, don't worry about that car seat, it gotta go back in the car. So I didn't quite record me, but a couple of fall items out. I'm recording off my phone, of course y'all know, because my camera is destroyed. Well, it ain't destroyed, it's a software issue going on. So I'm just showing y'all what I did so far. Just this. And then this, I got a couple packages I want to show y'all. I purchased the Coach notebook a while ago. I showed y'all about like how I like to journal and how I got like 7 different journals. So it's gonna be like a whole little project. So this is the console table. I didn't do much to this, just added the little fall sign, the little pumpkin. And then in the powder room, I just added a pumpkin. And husband is putting the garland up there. And I just got the blanket there. Okay, I just got this cute little candle. It look cute once the light gets turned off. So my husband had to fix that. I just want him to just make it stay up there some type of way. And then I just put the nice little towels I got from Dollar Tree. And I think that is it. Y'all can see I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I just got done cleaning, washing my hair. I'm about to let my daughter go ahead and blow dry it and straighten it out. And oh, the only thing I have to do is just make my bed for the fall. Basically put my little fall colors up in there for the sheets. And then I'll be done. But until then, I have to end this video because I have a lot to do and that's going on. But I did want to make sure I just show y'all. Did I show y'all the front porch? Let me show y'all the front.